It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm WadaC2 from uklockpicka, and this is a video of some fantastic custom made picks which are made by uklockpicka on YouTube. Fantastic lock sporter on there, and also a member of our forum on uklockpicka. I'm revolving that so you can see it slightly. I'll go into a bit of detail in a minute or two. I got two of these picks. One is a short hook and the other a medium. I'm going to use each pick on two different locks. This one is a Miller 5-pin Euro cylinder, and the reason I've chosen this is because there is a slight restricted keyway there, and a lot of us sort of opt for the Salford slimline picks for keyways such as this. I do myself, but since getting these two picks I am really over the moon. Custom made, handmade. I don't like to call them home brews because they look that fantastic, but anyway, like I say, we'll go into that in a second or two. So let's have a go at getting this open. I'm going to be using the short hook on this one. The Miller does have spool pins in it, so you get false sets and counter rotation. It's not a speed picking video by any means, it's to demonstrate how good these picks are. So straight to the back, and we've got a bit of a drop. Counter rotation and full set. And again. Counter rotation from pin 1. And the lock is picked. So that's the Miller 5-pin Euro cylinder, single pin picked. Didn't get a key with this, so I'm trying to angle it at the camera, which is difficult. As you can see, that's picked open nicely. Locked back up, so that was with the short hook. Custom picks. They are fantastic picks, really well made. This is a Union 6-pin oval. The cam turner's hidden there, so what I'm going to have to do is obviously bob it all the way in the vise. That's actually a working key for this one. Again, my autofocus on this camera is abysmal, so I do hope you can see that. Show the key working, and it's not going to turn all the way because of, like I've just explained there, but once I've picked it I'll take it out. It's locked up. There's a different tension wrench for this one, so on it goes. And I'm using the medium hook, again start from the back, They are so comfortable, these picks. The drop there. Again, this is a suction vise that's meant to be sucked down. My work surface is that terrible that I'm having to push it down with my hand, hence the wobbling. There you go. That's the Union 6-pin picks. Try show you that without it resetting, as you can see there. I was going to move that vise anyway to show you how fantastic these picks really are. They are outstanding. They're literally made full time all the way down. Like I stressed a minute or two ago, we often make picks ourselves and we call them home brews, and that's fantastic because they work, and they absolutely work wonders picking the lock open. But I can't call this a home brew, or any of the picks uklockpicka makes. I really can't, because they are custom picks. I would class them tailor-made. I mean, look at that. Get off of that up there. Wooden grips, varnished and stained. Fantastic balance. What I've found when I've used my Southards is, obviously with them being full metal handled, is I've obviously got sort of abrasions there over the years of picking, but with wooden handles you don't get that. It's sort of so comfortable to hold. So uklockpicka has done a sterling job with making these. Like I say, tailor-made, and the reason I say tailor-made is, for instance, the word homebrew. Brilliant, they work on locks. Now to me, homebrew is the sense that if you like a pint of Tetley's or a bitter, you want to go buy your own homebrew kit to make it yourself. It doesn't quite taste the same, but it hits the spot, it does the job. Now tailor-made, to me, if you're going to a wedding or to a large function, would you have a go at making your own suit? I don't think you would. You would go to a tailor who would make it for you, and the outcome is precision, which is what these are. They are absolutely fantastic. So that's sort of two side by side there. It puts that much effort into these that any pick you're going to purchase, the handles are going to be more or less identical, obviously apart from where the wood is stained. The picks start at £10 each, but what I'm going to say is you don't have to go for single picks, which a lot of us are single pin pickers. You can have rake picks, you can have dimple picks, whatever you want he can make for you. Regarding the handle design, uklockpicka specialises in wood, and to me they look outstanding. I got these through the post Saturday morning and I honestly cannot stop looking at them. They are absolutely brilliant, they really are. I've even designated this little case to my new found favourite picks. If you want plastic handles, it can be done, but as I say, wood is the favourite for UK lockpicker, and I don't blame him, to be quite honest. They are outstanding. Literally strong as anything. I've had issues with Southard picks. I'm not knocking Southards at all, but I've had a couple snap on me just at this point. Don't know sort of it's anything to do with their sort of full tank that goes through and then heat that's issued on either ends of these, but they do actually snap there, and I know a lot of other lock sporters have had the same issue. These will not. Like I say, that don't know how to demonstrate that, but if I was to place that there, I'm pushing on that like anything. As you can see, I've just made a hole in my pick case. So if you do want any custom tailor-made picks, PM UK Lockpicker on YouTube. Ask any questions. He will also do kits where he'll supply 5 different picks and tension wrenches. Not 100% sure of the price of those, but please contact him, send him a private message. You can also contact UK Lockpicker on uklocksport.co.uk. Fantastic, awesome picks. So I would highly recommend in purchasing some of these. Like I said, these are now kept separate from my other normal kits. I've been playing about with these for a couple of days and I love them to bits. So guys, contact UK Lockpicker on YouTube and UK Locksport, and if you want to join uklocksport.co.uk, come and visit us. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.